In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image blocks Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, flexible image to your page and fine-tune how it looks, all using Squarespace's built-in tools. First, make sure you're in the page editor for the section where you want your image to appear. Hover near the area you'd like to build out, then click Add Section. This creates a new area on your page dedicated to the content you are about to add. To keep full control over the layout, choose Add Blank. Starting with a blank section gives you a simple canvas and avoids any preset styles that might get in the way. Inside your new blank section, click Add Block. A panel will open with all the different content types you can insert. Choose Image. This places an image block in your section and you can drag it to the exact spot you want if needed. To customize it, click the small pencil icon on the block. That opens the editor where you'll make all your adjustments. Next, click Add an Image. Then select Upload File to bring in an image from your computer. Squarespace supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and a high-quality, well-compressed file will keep your site looking sharp without slowing it down. Give the upload a moment to process. Once it's in, you'll see the preview update right away. Now let's refine the presentation. Click the Design tab in the image settings. Start by selecting Fill. This option makes the image cover the entire block area, which is great for bold visuals and consistent edges, especially in grid layouts. If your subject is near the edges, check the preview to be sure nothing important is cropped. Next, click Shape. This controls how the edges of the image appear. Rounded corners can soften a layout, while a standard rectangle keeps things clean and modern. Choose the look that best matches your site's style. If preserving every pixel matters more than filling the frame, click Fit. Fit ensures the entire image is visible inside the block without cropping. You may see letterboxing or extra space, but it's a reliable way to maintain the original composition. Feel free to toggle between Fill and Fit to compare which better serves your layout and the image itself. When you're happy, close the editor. Squarespace saves as you go, but give your page a quick preview to confirm everything looks good on desktop and mobile. That's it. Your image block is set, styled, and ready to go.